All right, welcome everyone. This is just a reminder that Friday is your deadline for turning in many missing assignments. I brought up some examples. So this one has PE makeup. If you click on your assignments, we're going to show you what happens next. If I click on this one, we're going to pull up some stuff. All right, when you click on it, make sure you double check to see what's been returned to you. So if I click and see what's been returned, I've returned a whole bunch of assignments. You'll notice a lot of them have a 3 next to them, which means that they don't have anything attached. Here is a great example in number 5. This student returned it, and I'm going to show you an example of what they returned. It'll look just like this. Give me one. So if you're missing any assignments for the PE makeup, this is all you got to do. Make sure your name is on it. Put that you completed the assignments. For PE makeup, put the date in which you're making up, and then just have a parent sign it. Some of you guys, maybe your camera was off. I couldn't see if you were doing the activities, and so this is just kind of a way that we can adjust to make up for that. So this is a great example of how to finish up any of those PE makeups. All right, so if I opened up one of those 3 out of 5s, this is kind of what you see. It's got a rubric, and I have given some feedback that says attach something showing that you've completed the assignment. So this one has no work attached, therefore there's a 3. So all they have to do is attach a file, and it could be a picture, it could be a message. Sorry, it could be a message from the family, just an email, so you can send me an email as well, and that's how you'll make up your PE. Thank you.